It's not intentional. Actually that's naturally me. Konkando kujangu every time I come out hatu mujankani hatu kobuzire but I really love you. Kandi munsasiro kubura I'm back.
You're back.
Yes.
Are you wizira abantu bakwebuza best Emily Kampala.
Yeah.
Tula abayimbi ba kati concerts uliwotuka naye kati otera okubeera ne concerts noziteeke n'embalala ate nga naffe ab'e Kampala gye tuli kati plan kijoli na ilifa ab'e Kampala.
Actually I want to first thank Pastor Bujingo, because when I came to Kampala to perform at Canada, it was my first time. So when I reached there, Rahanga yambera murungi, and I was sponsored, and actually I meet so many people kujangu, we saw you perform. You know they love him. Actually naishongora hambera yensi, and no matter kweshongora he preaches about real life. So they love him and I love him, kandi I thank him. So Pastor webare mnonga kandi actually in Mbarara ikere first time kora concert. I made a concert in Tungamo home. So I made sure I pray that in Mbarara I make a concert, and I was happy. So media was involved and it was a success.
Good.
So nchona ninkujana it step by step. Now I came from Tungamo, I made it in Mbarara in Egypt. I know it was successful. Now in Kampala it will be successful again. So it is step by step. Utambuza hoen but
dola ali kati awulire ebibuzo bimuocha nayenga anyway njamuwayo mukisobola okubanga kubuza then atwogere ku nsonga enkulu abayimbi naddala aba gospel abasinga naddala wano mu Western Uganda, even other regions ebiseera ebisinga kibabeerera nnyo kizibu ku breaking through neba nosanga ennyimba zaabwe bazikuba Kampala oba mu Western eza Western nga bazikuba mu Eastern naye gwe at least ennyimba zo tuziraba zitambula. Bakole batya ennyimba zo okutambula almost all over the country?
First of all, I'm thankful ngwebye shongoro bitu they are played there, because it's a blessing. So thank you all the media platforms, mostly Salt TV, Nana radio. So Salt media it pushinjire changu. Yes, kandi abandi to break through. Actually I don't really know the answer, but what I know, when you sit down and make sure you do something good, when you want to sing wanda kujowa ishongora, make sure that it cuts across. Kujangu even in Kampala they can play your song. Then chindi we shouldn't be comfortable. We love being comfortable. We come to Mbarara or Chitera and you feel you're okay. But when you go to the city, nuboku manyangu. So I advise them to do two. First of all, make sure you try and do something quality. Do something good. Kujangu naba Kampala, they really enjoy it. Mostly when the talent you use it, then don't be comfortable. Every time you get a chance, hati ngo kutwa abafuna Godfrey, you didn't believe I will meet you and make an interview. So orafuna kajisha reaches Kampala, got sort media, get a chance to perform, get a chance for an interview, use it profitably. Because abakuri anaboni bakandi barebe byakunuye. Yes. So
ekindi kyembadde kubuuza enaku zino tulaba nnyo concerts naye ng'ezisinga bayitira kye bayita charity. Oli abeera ne concert n'agamba nti ya charity. Charity. Naye tukimanyi nti at the end of it all you need money.
Yeah.
Naye why is it almost every concert is a charity?
My concert was not charity.
No, I think I'm not saying your concert was
in Kampala.
Not even in Kampala, even this side. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, there are two things. There are people who mean it, a charity. Because harabantu abakujukora and specifically abananda kuyamba abana. And there are people who don't. Kandi to say that with a charity concert knows that it's going to pull some people that worry, because the music at sometimes they never like sort media. If the way you think the thing is programmed, like the people we felt we shouldn't be there, and that strategy a strategy candidate abantarmukam. So ninja na kwa kujati it's a charity thing, it will draw many people to come and attend the concert. Okay. Yeah, to me that's what I think.
Okay. So ekirala best Emily nja kubuuza enaku zino tuyina emikutu mingi oba channels nyize tusobola okuyitamu okutumbula music waffe. We have TikTok, abantu basindika ebyeshongora WhatsApp. Are you on TikTok?
Yeah, I'm on TikTok. Yeah.
Kachika akasinga okunyumira ku TikTok. Tuogere kati mu entertainment industry because we have to use all those channels to promote our music. Ne chiche cha kutwala ku TikTok.
TikTok, I first saw videos. They would come, then there were people made challenges of like Embera, people were singing my song as if they are the one singing it. So, and every time I watch the videos, I see TikTok. So I said, this thing must be hitting. I have to be on TikTok and see what is happening. And when I joined, it was really cool because it is lively and very many people, you keep watching so many things at once. So every time you do a TikTok video, they go to YouTube, they go to other channels because TikTok is short. So they go and look for that song. Like Pastor Jingo's things. I normally saw them on TikTok. They just chop one clip where it's a point and it's on TikTok. So and when you watch that, you go to YouTube and follow him.
Good.
Yeah.
So lastly, nkuwe dola kubuze ekibuzo. Mbadde nja kubuuza still nga tukyali ku music ono. Omanyi tu abayimbi naddala mu aba gospel abasinga babeera nnyo mu church nga si bafumbo nga kye balina okukola kwe kubanga batambulirawo mu church beekweka. How is the family? Twogera family kintu kikulu nnyo.
My family actually is very okay. My husband has been in Kampala, but he is returning. And I was thanking God. Actually, yesterday, so when I looked at the life we've been through for 2 years, before you celebrate Sorot Media, yes, at 8, we are going to celebrate ours. But actually, it is after yours because us 2 years, it will be 14th. Yes, it's when we wedded. I was thanking God for him. He's a friend. So I thank God that I got a friend. I got a chari. Yeah, family is okay. My son is good. If he wasn't that,
you got a chari.
Yeah, I got a chari guy.
Okay, Salt is celebrating 8 years.
Yeah.
Your special message that goes to Salt Media.
There is nothing special apart from what I've said, but I really thank God for Salt Media. I thank God for House of Prayer Ministries for these 8 years. Actually, when you look at what is being done, you think it's more than 8. When I saw at 8, I was like, I thought it was like at 40 because it is being rooted. Lives are being encouraged. People you hear people on washing base. People are tuning in at 7. Yes, at 1 in the after at noon.
Sham shanj mwena.
Yes, sham shanj. Ne baba roho wahurishize Pastor Bujingo. So I really omugana jamba yoza. Hey, I'm so happy
Okay.
for your life at 8, and may God bless you. May God add more and more so that you can keep here and you keep being blessed.
Dora nkwaddeyo mukisa bana ebuuzayo ku best Emily ekibuuzo. Dora abuuza nti bamugamba best Emily ogenda kubanga otandikawo ekkanisa. Bituufu?
Dora, that's not true. Actually, I thank God that I'm a singer. I'm not good at leadership. So even if I start a church, it has to fail. Because I'm good at worshiping, I'm good at encouraging people, but through my voice, not preaching. I'm not a pastor.
By the way, Dora essence wonga nkulu. Agale mu nkubo gali nti afande Johnson agenda tandikawo obuweereza. Naye abantu abasinga abayimbi bwe muyimba enyimba nezikwata yo nga mugenda nga mutandika obuweereza. So kiva kuki ate abasinga asimu bubi naye abasinga oluusi bwe banga si recording ye oluusi obuweereza butero balemerera mukole mutya lwaki mwagala nnyo tandika obuweereza nga mumaze okuyimba enyimba ezikwatayo.
Afande Johnson, I didn't know. But what I can say about that,
not necessarily on Afande Johnson,
or about every artist, namunonga gospel or kura, when it's a hit, ajati kanta and church. The Bible says, what I do, I give it time. If it's your calling, it will go through. Like I've been following Pastor Bujingo's life stuff. So every time you join because you see people following you, that's not the case. He was preaching on the roadside. He was preaching when people are passing by, and it was a calling, and he persevered, and until now that we see something brilliant and beautiful. So to them, I don't, me myself, I can't do it. But if it is their calling, we are going to see that. If it's not,
okay. Your last words to our viewers of G256. I actually tweyanza nnyo tusindikira ka video akatuyozaza ku mwaka gumo gwa G256.
Happy birthday.
Yes, sibulako kuba tulaba n'obugambo obusembayo.
Yes, surely G256. There is the way Dora is. She's that talent that makes you keep watching her like you don't want to blink. So I really appreciate I appreciate her. She's a very good girl, and we watch her, we follow her. So everyone watching G256, I greet you, and I pray that you be encouraged. Ntuza kusingura whatsoever.
Kakolas kagumahama niwe.
Yes, wagumahama mbera yes.
Gumahama.
Yes. Yewe gumahama nituza kusingura. Yewe gumahama nituza kwambuka. Gambira abantu baracekurira okukizibwa kwabonekire. Nukweri. That kantungure. Embera yensi nukweri. Owawe nenako owanankano ujenyi konka wamanye mbera yawe okashaba muheru no hikabu hanguzi.
Thank you so much. Banayi tuyanze gata ku Soul TV njagala tumirako Shifa Pro, one of the biggest promoters mu Mbalala, iranga akoze omulimo gw'amanyi okubanga atambuza gospel. Ebisigadde tujja kubanga tubibaleetera, tuli mu myaka 8 tugenda kubeera wali Masaka naye embozi ya Best Emily bweto bweta mudona ko olwalero kambaze wa Dora Jimmy's agende maso katobana agenda kwongerezaako bigambo kiba naye muzikirize mbaze wa Dora Jimmy's. Thank you so much. Godfrey mwebaze bade ne Best Emily nga tuli ene Mbalala.